Hello friends, it's circle time with Miss Sabrina, and today we're going to be doing a rhythm stick song. So you're going to need your sticks, and the hand motions are going to be tapping, we're going to be hammering, we're going to be rolling, and we're going to be cutting. And the song is called I've Been Working on the Railroad. Okay, come sing along with me.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and singing fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, oh, 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 fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, strumming on the old banjo.
Thank you for joining me today, friends, and I will see you next time. Bye!